Alright, what's going on, guys? UDRC here, back with a quick vid unboxing. Got me a little radio here, getting rid of the STX2. You guys know what this is. Pretty laggy, cause you to crash, all that good stuff. So let's pop it open real quick, take a look. So I've seen a lot of unboxing of this radio. So I figured I'd give it a try. So I'm gonna get the Futaba radio. So I need to give this a quick try and see how I go before I go ahead and get the Futaba. This should be giving you pretty good range. It's not that expensive either. It's like 69 bucks, $75 or so. And it comes with a receiver. Also has built-in gyro, all that good stuff. I'm going to pop it out of the box so you take a look at it, see what she looks like. Alright. So first off, when you open it up, got your little manual here on the outside. A lot of information on it, as you can see. We'll go over that in a little bit, well, off camera anyways. So this is the radio here. Radio comes with a receiver. It's a R7FG receiver. It has two antennas on it, and then you have also like an adapter for battery. You can run LiPo battery in there, I guess. I don't know, we'll check it out soon. Yep, so it takes about 6 AA's. Radio feels pretty good. I guess it's pretty similar to the DX2E-ish, the way it feels, but you know, still pretty good quality. The antennas on the top, pretty fixed. You can break it if you don't really pay attention, but other than that, again, it looks pretty good. Quality's pretty decent. Has an LCD screen on the top. Got 4 buttons up there for the menus. On the side, all that good stuff. Alright, so it's a quick little unboxing just to show you guys the new radio I'm going to try out. I'm going to switch this radio out from the Mojave and then the Typhon. I actually got an extra receiver. So we're going to Typhon. This one is the R6FG. Alright, so just real quick, guys, showing you what's coming up. I'm going to install it and do a review on it. And just know what I think. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.